Dairekta mar kinda ma Nairobi City to kod riwruok mar ng'weche pacho kaendi Athletics Kenya kadho kuom jakom mar were Barnaba Korir koro singone oganda jo Kenya ni gisetimo ikruok makare ne ng'we mag Nairobi City Marathon migeno bagi chieng' Jumapil jumani.
So far, it has gone extremely well, beyond expectation of Athletics Kenya. We have the 21 kilometers already closed. The marathon is a few people remaining. The 4K, of course, that is for the corporate. 10 kilometers almost closed also. But I'm urging pro runners, professional runners, to try to register the 21K because it's almost closing. And I'm sure current attitude that we have, we register last minute, it might be too late for them.
Koribeno yango ni ng'wech ma higani jong'wech mopogore osendikore mawuok e pinje ma ok tin ne 78 ma igeno ni ibiro piem e ng'wego.
And we are going to have a press conference on Wednesday that we will release the list both locally and international. We have 78 registered nationalities that will be participating, and we have countries like US, China, Britain. We have the largest number from India, 78. We have China, 98. We have Britain, 75, who have already registered, and the corporate bodies that have already registered.